Hey everyone, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This channel will be for videos about my pocket knife collection. So this is going to be just a general overview of the collection, and then later on I will do a single video for each knife. So I'll just kind of show you the... This is my box of knives. I have them in a sports card box, actually, because one of my other channels is for sports cards. Alright, so we'll just do a little... My favorite pocket knives are Swiss Army knives, of course, because, well, they're so damn useful, and when I was in Boy Scouts, or Cub Scouts actually, I got my first Swiss Army knife. So I have a bunch of those, but I also have various different things. Like this little keychain knife I bought in France, and let's see. Oh, this Swiss Army knife I bought in Switzerland. This Swiss Army knife I bought in Austria. And then I have a couple of mini Swiss Army knives. They're in the boxes there. I'll show you them later. And then I have, what is this? Oh, it's a blue Swiss Champ XLT. Here's a box. I'll show you the knife later. So I'm not sure which Swiss Army knife this one is. I've got this neat little knife. It's like goes on a belt. Fisherman Swiss Army knife. Then I've got stuff like this. This is, you know, this blade, I guess it's for something, I'm not really sure what. And then there's the regular blade. And then here we have bow art. I'm not really sure. I guess I should do some searching online to see about them. Then I have this America's Cup Challenge knife. And this one, yeah, it's a locking blade, as are several others. I'm assuming I got this knife up in Boston, because it says Boston on it, but I don't really remember. And then I have some bigger ones, like this. But anyway, so, oh, and then I have my prized possession, one I got recently, the Swiss Champ I think it's, what is it, XAVT maybe? Something like that. Yeah, XAVT. So I will do separate videos for all of these things, and I mean, look at the nice case that has. But okay, so that's it for now, and I will be back very, very soon with different videos for each knife. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you guys soon.